Are you terrible at drawing? Do you hate yourself because you are bad at art? Do you beat your head against the wall every day? What? Qu'est-ce que c'est? Oh, I don't do that. Continue, please. Anyway, if this is you, you need to go to portraitartacademy.com. There you will learn how to draw beautiful, realistic portraits and other things. The link is at the bottom. And then you don't hate yourself anymore. Most likely.
This is the St. George Art Festival. We're going to draw some beautiful Americans and other people too. It's going to be a portrait assemblage. It is going to be formidable. Now let's go find some new people as a portrait artist.
Oh my gosh. I love the whole like French get up, like
You've been to France?
I wish. I love the French language, it's beautiful.
Je parle français un petit peu. Tu parles français, madame? Parle français. You know, like parler from the Pirates of the Caribbean, parler.
Oh yeah.
It's French for talking, so.
Ava! My cousin and I just moved here at the beginning of last month, so we've been here for a little over a month in St. George. But I've been in Utah for 6 months now.
Okay.
Oh wow! I can hear a little bit of the accent. That is so cool. But like I've always loved French and like German. Like I have friends in Germany. And, like, so
Germans.
yeah, like.
Sprichst du auch Deutsch?
Auf Wiedersehen.
Auf Wiedersehen. Okay, we're about halfway.
Alright. I'm like, I've never had my like portrait done. I've always wanted a portrait of like a picture drawing. And I'm just like, oh my gosh. And my cousin pointed you out and I was like, okay, I need to ask. I'm like, if it costs anything, I can't, but if it's free.
Okay, almost done. One more minute.
Yeah, mommy.
Does that look like mommy?
Yeah,
Good.
Oh, crazy.
mommy.
Today is the day we're going.
Mommy.
It's our cheat day.
Mommy.
Like we said
yeah.
this morning is our cheat day.
Mommy.
What, baby?
See? And mommy, you.
Is that me?
Yeah.
Good. Have Ava drawn too because she looks so cute.
Oh, sure.
Oh my gosh, it is, but it's not like. To me, like if I was spending $2,000 for like a 2-bedroom, 1 bath, to me that's expensive. But like I paid $12,000 for.
Yep.
Yep.
Oh my gosh, that looks so good.
There you go. Yep. There you go.
Thank you. Can you do me now? Thank you. Can you do me now?
Yes.
Whoa, that's crazy. Whoa, that's crazy.
Good.
Alright. You like it? Yeah. Yeah? Can we have a picture? Yeah. You make me look a lot younger. You make me look a lot younger. Oh.
Is that a good thing?
I think that's good.
Why do you have a funny beard?
It is a mustache.
Oh wow.
I like it. Thank
you.
you.